Hi, today we'll fix vacuum cleaner Bosch Professional. Open and disconnect its motor, its wire. It needs disconnect. It's motor from vacuum cleaner. I fixed motor few years ago. What now happened? Will be see. I check motor in my garage because dirty. It's no good. Too much amperes and it's not open. Its motor no open. See? Before few years ago I open this cover. Now again will open and see what there happen. I think need revive. Fan need out. Put letters here and here. I have equipment for check armature. See where is red color, there short socket. Everywhere green, 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 green. Even 1, 2 slots have red color, it means short socket there, need rewinding. But for rewinding need armature out from fan. Sometimes I here cut, here press fan, need out fan. After it rewinding armature, need ask owner agree or not, because it cost about $50. Owner agree. Now will be cut it. Use it. Will try cut for out fan. See, not enough. I check how many millimeter. Need more. See, cut. Very nice out. It needs rewinding. Double check. Green, 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 green. Color red. Again, green, green, green. 2 slots. Is now good. Use fire for clean wire and find how many millimeter. 0.35 It's finished. I open it. It's slot finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 go in slot. Spoon 10. And next bar, and with this case it means it start, it finish. Here cross. See, here finish. See, a lot of ohms. Put here. See, about 1 ohm. Its diagram is true. Clean. One size, another size clean. Out commutator. Out bearing. Clean. Slot. Find how many turns in slot. In slot 42 turns. It means here half 21 turn. 21 turn. 21 turn. 21 turn. Between bars, short socket, one place. Commutator need change to. Old commutator, no good. Short socket between bars. We'll use new commutator. But there, inside, need drill more. Here, 11 millimeters. I drill inside new commutator, and now it's nice. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Spoon 10. Let's start short. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Need 21 turns. Slot full, but I think I can close. Wait. 19, 20. 21. See? Slot full. Little bit help. I think I can, because it more than 0.35. It's very nice wire. 100 degrees Celsius. Now finish. Oh, well. See, this slots only half, no leads. This place. Press, another size. Press, press two, press two, press here and here. Help, help, and here. Again, shorter, it start. Put here. See? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, need a little bit help, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It finish. It finish. It's longer than start. Start shorter. Now another size. 2. Need press, 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 press. Help it. Help. Shorter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It's finished everything. Longer, shorter, longer is finished, shorter is start. every slot. Press. Careful. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 slots. Now, forgotten scissors. Cut. And close slot. Another size. Very full slot. I think I see. Close slots. Press commutator to armature. Put lids inside in Schlitz. Cut lids. Make heat. Prepare epoxy. Put epoxy to armature. A little bit later, maybe 5, maybe 10 minutes later. Another size. Put epoxy. Put like it. Few hours. Again heat. Make heat. Few hours. Hold. Balance, knit out. See. Here, knit left hand third. See, it's turn this size. Left hand third knit here. I have for it. I use for it. See, my lever turn. It's stop, it's turn. See, See, now we have here left hand third. Need here, see, I made left hand third. Cut commutator. Between bars. Cut between bars. Check after everything green. Green, 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 green. If here short circuit between bars, it will be here red. Now, not red now without armature. With armature, green, 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 everywhere green, every slot. Put armature to fan. See, here I need washer. Put another bearings here too. Washer need. Now look like first washer too big. Here a little bit touch. Washer need smaller. Was it too much? Later. Now see, it's better. It's nice. Put together for check.